Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the headset has charge and is powered on. This powers the noise-canceling circuits. Once on, put the cups over your ears for a sealed fit, because ANC works by sensing external noise. Next, press and hold the power/Bluetooth button to enter pairing and connect to your phone or laptop. Connecting is essential so you can toggle modes and stream audio. Once paired, make sure audio plays to confirm the link and proceed to enable ANC. You now enable the noise-canceling feature. Press the power/Bluetooth button briefly to engage pure ANC. You should hear a subtle change as microphones feed cancellation. Once active, open the Beats app or your device's sound settings to check firmware and any ANC presets. Updates can improve performance. Make sure to play different types of audio and listen for reduced background noise. If ambient sound still intrudes, adjust fit and rerun the app's guidance, or repair the connection. To finish, confirm the fit and wear the headset for real-world testing. You should notice a clear drop in low-frequency noise. If performance seems weak, reseat the cups and try repairing the headset to your device, because connection issues can degrade ANC. If problems persist, reset the headset by holding the power button for about 10 seconds, then update firmware via the Beats app. If none of that works, contact support. One key troubleshooting tip: always check for and install firmware updates first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.